Hello everyone. We welcome you to the Literary Committee, or as we say, the LitCom. LitCom is one of the most noble and prestigious committees of the university. Our aim is to provide a platform for you to showcase your talent and to provide a robust culture of law and literature together. Our previous year projects include us publishing Samvad, many editions of ILNU Herald, and conducting many events like Lex Discourse and some poetry recitation and article writing competitions. Our current year projects include us publishing the very first edition of our college magazine, The Miraki, publishing the judgment compilation on Hindi Divas, and conducting the cartoon making competition on Gandhi Jayanti. Our upcoming projects include us publishing an edition of The Axiom and conducting some workshops and competitions regarding literature. And all this is just the tip of the iceberg. So we look forward to you all becoming the part of this wonderful family. Thank you. We hope to see you at the LitCom very soon.